How to buy Solana meme coin on Phantom Wallet. So I will be showing you here the steps on how to buy Solana meme coin on Phantom Wallet. First, you have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Phantom Wallet, and all you have to do is to install or update. If you have installed this already, you will see the update button. Tap this one. So again, you need a Phantom Wallet. So once you have installed it as a browser extension or mobile application, so once installed, it's about time to create a new wallet or import an existing one with your secret recovery phrase. Remember to never share your phrase with anyone. Now here or step 2, you need to fund your Phantom wallet with Sol, the Solana token. You can buy Sol directly inside the Phantom application. All you need to do is tap on the Buy Sol or Buy section right here. And basically you will have your options on how to buy. So you can buy Sol directly inside the Phantom application using MoonPay or other integrated partners, or send Sol from a centralized exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. So you need Sol to buy and pay transaction fees, so make sure to load enough. For example, you want to buy this specific amount or a specific Solana amount right here. All you have to do is to click. So you can enter the amount, and like what I've mentioned earlier, you can pay via third-party tools or this available providers here. All you have to do is to select and then follow the instruction. So once you have added your Solana, or once you have enough Solana here, and then you can now proceed to buying Solana meme coins. So to buy Solana meme coins, you will need to use a decentralized exchange like Jupiter, Bird Eye, or Radium. This time, let's use Jupiter. So you have to search for jup.ag. Then all you have to do is to click that one. It will take you directly to Jupiter's interface. So this is the Jupiter I'm talking about. Click this one and tap on open. Here you need to click connect wallet, and you have to select or look for Phantom. So here it is. Now tap on connect, and then you have to look for Phantom here. See more, tap Phantom, and then connect your account. You need to review and make sure that you're connected to the correct Phantom wallet account. Now, once connected, you can now proceed with searching for your meme coin. So again, you have to scroll down here and you have to make sure that you have enough Solana. So here, once you have enough Solana and you wanted to buy a meme coin on Phantom Wallet, you just have to make sure that the selling this one is set to Solana, and then buying or receive is that specific meme coin. You have to select this one right here and find that meme coin that you're looking for. So there are tons of meme coins that you can buy here inside the Jupiter and Phantom Wallet. For example, Dogecoin. All you have to do is to search that specific meme coin right here. And then once you found it, what you're going to do next is you just have to simply click that one. So make sure that this is the correct meme coin. As you can see, there are tons of meme coins, but you have to look for the correct symbol. So this one. Now enter in the amount of SOL you want to swap. Jupiter will automatically find you the best rate. Once done, you can now click swap and approve the transaction in Phantom and wait for a few seconds. Done. Your meme coins will appear in your wallet shortly. If not, click Manage Token List in Phantom and manually add the token using its contract address. So basically that's it. Now that you have your meme coin, you can now proceed with other transaction. So you have to make sure that you have the right meme coins. Don't click random airdrops or connect to shady sites as much as possible. You need to keep your recovery phrase offline and secure. And if you're holding long term, consider transferring to a hardware wallet like Ledger that supports Phantom integration. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.